Hello Aries, this is your channel messages for the 20th of October. I am your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner and tarot reader. Aries, I was getting somebody live close to an airport. Me getting your window. Your airport is exactly where the planes take off. I don't know where you're there, Aries. Me getting the planes take off near your house. Me getting is like, if you look out your window, you can see the plane them take off and the plane look like it's gonna crash right in your house. Once you just go right past. I don't know who was the architecture who built your house, or me getting your house is located very much near this airport. Me getting it look like the window them will. Me getting it look like the window them will broke out, like the airport, the hand them, the wings them are the plane. So someone's a pilot also. Me getting someone's a pilot. Me getting is either it's the first time you do your ear thing, or me getting you just complete all your hours. Me getting you one pilot. So this pilot up there, and you try to get hours, or you drive around, someone's a pilot. The second thing is you live near to an airport. Me getting you can almost see the plane them like if you take off, it will take off right in your house, but you just fly right over your house. So there's something significant about that, all right? I don't know what else. I'm just getting pilot, I'm getting airport. That's it. Yes, that is it. Let's go ahead and go into your 4-card spread. Let's go. What's happening? Who are we doing? Aries. Yes, Aries. Ahead. Aries ahead. Who is your person, Aries? Your person is the Lovers card. Okay. Your person is a Gemini. So I'm getting is a Gemini pilot. Or I'm getting somebody's Gemini. No, maybe the Gemini has been dreaming of you every night, every time I close my eyes. I'm dreaming. I'm getting somebody been dreaming about you. There's a soul connection here. So you have been appearing in someone's dreams. Maybe you've been kissing them or cuddling them or hugging them up in your dream. You're getting a dealing with a Gemini. So let's see what your physical or sexual connection to the Gemini is. The Hierophant. You're getting the Gemini want marry you. What? Oh. Rashida, you're not gonna left Kirk. Rashida, you need to leave Kirk. Leave him alone. You're not gonna left him. He's a life partner. I don't know who is more embarrassing, Rashida and Kirk, or Will Smith and Jada Pinkett fucking Smith. I'm getting he wants to marry you and put ring on it. Oh, what is the song name, Rashida? You know why I can't remember the song? Because her boyfriend has put up that song too much. Make him wanna marry me. Put it on him, make him wanna marry me. Put it on him, make him wanna marry me. But me getting a lot of Gemini because Gemini wants commitment. They want it forever and they want make it official. This is we'll see where it goes. Maybe we can be friends with benefits. Maybe we can take it slow. Listen, I just came out of a big situation. I don't want no connection right now. But could you still cook clean for me? Tell me that I'm looking good and don't ask me for money? We're getting a deal with a Gemini. The Gemini wants a commitment. Somebody willing to buy a one ring. I don't know if... Yeah, they will marry you. They will. The Hierophant and the Lovers card is two big cards together. That is like a big wedding ceremony. Everybody know you guys together. We're getting somebody want commitment from you. Somebody don't only want to be with you. Then it's like you're going to talk to anybody else. You're not going to say, remember, you can't... This is it. You can't speak to nobody else, and you can't get nobody your number. You can't do nothing like that ever again. Getting the Gemini wants something from you. Your physical connection to the person, somebody might be very religious. If they're not religious, they're spiritual, or they're very militant. You're getting somebody mother very religious. Now they might not be as religious as their mother, but I'm getting somebody hold on to the principles their mother teach them. I'm getting that's why you like that. Your emotional or spiritual connection to this Gemini is the 2 of Wands. Okay, so I'm getting you feel like you know this person from another life. Now the Gemini may not come from the same place you come from. So you might have two different ideology of what a relationship is, what it's supposed to be like, what are the male role to play in the relationship and the woman role to play. I'm getting the person don't come from where you come from. So somebody might have a very significant Sagittarius placement. Usually when you have a Sagittarius placement significant, you are prone to interracial relationships. Prone. You're gonna deal with somebody who don't look like you with that Sagittarius placement. So I'm getting a person come from another country. You don't. You come from where you come from, somebody come from somewhere else. So I'm getting your emotional connection to them is, even though you guys don't look alike or you share the same beliefs, the same moral value, you're getting a feel like he's a twin in another form. Because the Hierophant and the Lovers is that is like this. It's very, very strong. Like the person might tattoo your name upon them. That's how strong this is. The Hierophant and Lovers. Because we're getting like everybody have to know that you're taking now. Something is imperative that everybody know. What's your long-term outcome of the relationship? We have the 7 of Swords is the outcome. So the Gemini I'm getting everything seems nice. Here's the one problem. I'm getting, you see, if the Gemini did leave a country and come to another country, they were married in them country. I'm getting the Gemini was already married. They might don't tell you this at them divorce, or they don't plan to get a divorce. They just relocated and them now go back to them wife. I'm getting somebody married. They married in foreign country, or they married from the country them born in already. So maybe somebody coming over here saying them single, me getting legally, them still married, legally. They don't, if you ask them for divorce to show you divorce papers, them can't show you it. I don't think them can show you separation papers either. It's all by word of mouth. So I'm getting somebody didn't like the life they were living anymore. They got a chance to travel. Apparently their wife wasn't going to come with them. Or worse, me getting you come from foreign country, you're married in your country, and you come a foreign country for work, and you tell your wife say you're going to sponsor her, you're going to bring her to the foreign country. I'm getting you went to foreign country and you fell in love with somebody. So the country where you come from, you're already married, you have a wife there, you left her, she come to a new country, tell your wife say you're going to sponsor her, me getting you fall in love in the country where you're in. And you fall in love with one girl, you fall in love with one Gemini, or you fall in love with one Taurus. And me getting you think about marrying the girl in the country where you're there. Mind you, you are not divorced from your wife back home, but because probably back home is a second to third world country, and this is a Canada is a first world country, they don't recognize your marriage. Maybe you're marrying somebody for a visa. Maybe you need status, so you need to marry. So you're gonna marry this person, get the status, and then divorce, and then marry your wife. I don't know what you're doing, but all I know is you are already married, sir. So I don't know why you're not wearing your wedding ring. Or again, that is the only baggage I'm seeing coming with this. Because in the fact that somebody has not been telling you that they actually had a wife before, they're divorcee. There have been a failure to fucking society. No longer when they have a form can they click single or common law, or they can't click divorcee. You are not a statistic. And the King of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, man. Nobody's in over. You know what is. Anyways, let's go. We got the Lovers card again. Yeah, Gemini. Listen, nothing is more disappointing than the point in time in your life when you realize, shit, I settled for the wrong one. That is the most disappointing shit ever. And then you're married to them, and then you find out, say, you settle. You find out that there was better out there. So it's either you chose the first dress that you saw on the mannequin and you never looked around the store properly. I'm getting that's disappointing. Nothing is disappointing. Gemini! Yeah, nothing is as disappointing than realizing that the one that you selected was not you. Gotta catch him. You caught the wrong Pokemon. You wanna be the very best that no one ever was. To train her is your success. To train him is my call. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. Dun, dun. Teach Pokemon to understand the power that's inside. ride. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em, it's you and me. I know it's my destiny. Pokemon, oh, you're my best friend. In a world we must defend. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em, all so true. Aren't you people pull us through? You teach me and I teach you. Pokemon, you got to catch them all. You gotta catch all of those. I don't know what the fuck you're doing. I'm getting you caught the wrong one. Gemini, the lovers and Pokemon. Who have a Pokemon? You know who's my favorite Pokemon? You know which Pokemon I am? I bet you don't know which Pokemon I am. You will never figure out. I'm going to say it. I'm going to tell you which Pokemon I am. Jigglypuff, Jigglypuff. You fell asleep? Okay? Jigglypuff, mother earth. Remember, Jigglypuff could have shapeshift. Remember? Jigglypuff could have shapeshift into Pikachu. She could have shapeshift into Squirtle. She could have shapeshift into even Mewtwo. Remember, that was a powerful thing with Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff, Jigglypuff. I am going to leave it here. Oh, Gemini 1, 2. Well, the two of them come out saying Gemini. So this is your reading, sir. You're getting married to this woman, this immigrant. Congratulations, okay? We have phone number, we have celebrity, and we got Kundalini. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye-bye.